Looks like it's going to be another hit, so get your tickets now. The entertainment industry was quite festive this week. Here's what made the Intense 5. Elephant Man is back at it. Clearly there's no stopping him. This time he has tried to channel his inner Elvis Presley. Try being the operative word. Woman held for shooting at Rihanna's home. Shots fired, literally. We don't know what Ree did to her, but from her post online, it's clear sis isn't a fan. This week, Ivana Oritz decided to take it up a notch from her usual online rants and pulled up to Rihanna's house, firing multiple shots at the residence while the singer was inside. Ivana, make sure you have your $10.2 million in hand to pay that bail. Alkaline set to make Barclays Center history. Come March 21, the man himself will be stamped in the history books as the youngest dancehall artist to ever headline a solo show at the Barclays Center in Brooklyn. Tickets for the highly anticipated event are already on sale, starting at about $90 and climbing to more than $800 for premium seats. Big up yourself, Alka. Sumfest moving to St. Anne. Reggae Sumfest 2026 will take place at Plantation Cove in St. Anne as a special one-night event on July 18th. Joe said the move is only temporary and made sure to remind us loud and proud that Catherine Hall in Montego Bay remains the festival's official home. I guess given what happened in the West, we have to understand. And finally, holding the spot this week, Music Madness. After getting a few of Massacre's biggest recent hits taken down from YouTube under copyright infringement, Melissa Mays decided she ain't stopping there. She's since filed against a couple other artists, including Molly and Jamal. Sis isn't playing about her coins. Let me go check if she's written a song for me. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Tell us what you think should make the list. Hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, are you ready for champs? We hit the road to feel the energy. We're soon forward.